butter chicken. You need chicken, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, and salt. You mixed together. Put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Take the chicken out of refrigerator. Pour some olive oil in the pan. Put the chicken in hot pan. Cook the chicken completely. Take chicken out of the pan. Add onions to the pan. Add butter to the pan. Add tomatoes. Add cashew nut. Imagine we have cashew. Blend garlic. Add garlic, salt, sugar, malt vinegar, masala powder, and water, and mix together. Add some red chili powder. Keep stirring and add some more butter. Take it out and blend it. Strain the sauce. Make sure it's silky and smooth. Add the sauce to the chicken. Whoa! After all, it is butter chicken, so add more butter. Cover and let it simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, ready to eat. I like to eat mine with rice. Here's some butter chicken, guys.